Caitlin Moore. I'm a finance assistant at Macrae, Edinburgh.
My name is Monica. I work for Macrae. I am a QAD operator.
So my name is Laura Anderson. I'm the commercial executive here at Macrae.
Every day is different and every day brings for us new challenges. I like work with people from different countries and different cultures. We can learn different language. We hear a lots of language on our factory. So that is really interesting for all of us, I think.
Just don't feel like you need to be in the factory, that's the be all and end all. There is plenty of other jobs. We've got engineers, we've got people that work in human resources, trainers. Obviously in the factory as well, you can be promoted to advanced workers. So there is a lot of jobs, a lot of different roles.
They can't give up. If they want to be somebody, they can do that, seriously. You can see on my example. I came from different country, and at the moment I am on this place when what I really want to be, you know.
I would just kind of say don't be put off by a sort of going into a basic role on a low salary, but if you work hard and your company sees that, they're going to want to invest in you and train you up and help you get to where you want to be down what career path that you would like.